Yo, what is going on, guys? Today we will be teaching you guys how to get free money on PayPal. I forgot to mention this in the video, guys, but you can use this method over and over again. You have a wide variety of options to use on this site that I'm about to show you guys. This is working currently September 19th, 2016. So yeah, it's probably gonna work forever. So what you guys are going to want to do is go to qme.com. Hit enter, and it'll take you to this website. Now at this website, you're going to want to enter your email. This is critical because you have to. And I'm just going to make one right now. And I've used this site before. Alright, so we just made an account, and we just got signed up. So next, what you're going to want to do is, it says to use QMe, you need to install our app. It's free. It's not a virus or nothing like that, trust me. It's just a Chrome extension, that's all it is. So yeah, and then you're going to want to get this, and then it'll install. Alright, then you'll get this notification saying QMe has been added to Chrome. And it'll say you have successfully added QMe. And yeah, so now you're just going to click try QMe with Google, and it's going to take you to this. And then thanks for signing up to QMe. Click the link above to earn your first cash reward. So you're going to want to click this link and just wait, and yeah, then you're going to want to refresh the page, and you have 10 cents. Yeah, and you can cash out to your PayPal, or you can cash out to gift cards and stuff like that. It's a very good site if you're trying to make just some money. It may take a while. Yeah. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.